Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install CMake on Ubuntu. Before installing CMake, ensure your Ubuntu system is up to date. This minimizes potential errors during installation by providing the latest software and security updates. After updating, some updates may require a system reboot to take effect. If you see a prompt for a reboot or want to ensure your system is cleanly updated, use the following command. After rebooting, run the following command to install CMake. Then, verify that CMake is installed correctly by checking its version. Testing your CMake installation ensures it is correctly configured and functioning as expected. This section demonstrates how to create and build a simple program and verify that CMake is working properly on your Ubuntu system. To begin, create a dedicated directory for your test project. This keeps your files organized and ensures the test is isolated from other projects. Create a file named main.cpp in the created directory. The next step is to write a basic C++ program to print CMake installation test successful to the terminal. Next, set up a CMake lists file. Next, it's recommended to create a separate directory for executables. Run the following command to make a directory named build and switch to it. Continue running the following command. If you encounter the following error, you can fix it by following these instructions. Now, you can generate the executable by typing the following command. Finally, run the compiled program to verify everything is working correctly. You should see the following output in the terminal. This confirms CMake is installed and working properly on your system.